Here we have question 11, our first introduction to these coding type questions. Okay, and first off we're asked to find the mean. So we've got 106 divided by 31, put that in our calculator, and we get 3.42. Next, standard deviation. Okay, from our formula booklet, we're told that standard deviation is the square root of sxx over n, so we can just replace that for z. So we get the square root of 80.55 divided by 31. Put that in our calculator, square root of 80.55 divided by 31, and we get 1.61. Both of these to three significant figures. Okay, now part B. Okay, part B is kind of a rule, a trick that you need to know. Okay, so when we find our mean, okay, we're going to share this relationship. Okay, so we're told here that the mean of, well, just every value of z is coded to be w take away 3 divided by 2. So our mean, okay, is going to move in this case. Okay, because we're adding them all together and then we're dividing by how many we have. So mean is it's gonna move with both of these. Okay, so w when rearranged is going to be 2 lots of z plus 3. Okay, so we know that our mean for w is going to be 2 lots of z. What do we have z as? 3.42. So 2 times 3.42 plus 3. Okay, 9.84. Alright, that is our mean. Okay, but for our standard deviation, okay, the standard deviation, when we're looking at this formula, okay, is going to be a bit different. Okay, so this plus 3, okay, doesn't mean anything for standard deviation. Okay, it's irrelevant. Okay, why is it relevant? Well, standard deviation is the spread, how far away data is. From GCSE, you can think of this like the range. Okay, so if our range at the start was 1 to 10, and then when we've coded our data, we've now got, I don't know, 3 to 12, okay, you still have the same range of 9. You still have your range of 9, so when you add or subtract, it doesn't change. But when you multiply, so if you have 2 and 20, you know, your range then changes by that multiple. Okay, so that's why adding doesn't make a difference. That's why our standard deviation is now doubled. Okay, so 1.61 times 2, so we get 3.22.